connecting and routing the IF cable. Use a plastic bag to protect the IF cable connector. Coil the IF cable next to the waterproof curve of the ODU to 3 to 4 circles with the diameter of 0.6 meters and bundle the circles to the pole for adjusting the antenna position. Manually fasten this connector or use a torque wrench to fasten it to avoid damaging the N-type connector. Note: rotate only the connector cap when the N-type connector is connected to the IF port of the ODU. Do not rotate the entire N-type connector of the IF cable. Do not bend or pull the IF cable with the connector of the IF cable as the fulcrum. Use binding straps to bundle the IF cable every meter.